Chill ride tayo ngayon guys, mountain bike. Struggle 3.5 month hindi tayo nakasakay ng bike. Busy talaga, napaka busy. Dito lang tayo ngayon guys sa ano, going to Kayapoy, then Maclean Island. Ride lang guys. Morning. Struggle guys. Ayun yan. Too much foods. Lagi daming kinakain, tapos panay ang inom no, mula nung natapos yung Lee race. After that hindi na tayo nakapag-bike ulit. Ngayon lang mountain bike, chill ride lang guys, mga 60 km siguro hanggang Maclean Island, then go back to my place. Alright guys, have a good Saturday morning, bye. Mga kasabay dito na guys ng ano, mga naka e-bike. Naka e-bike yan.